Number 35, 4.8, Reading Time. Children, now see this picture and read the passage. Hear it and write down the missing words in it. In the park. Yesterday, we all had been to a park for the school picnic. The park was very beautiful. There were green grasses. There was a monkey sitting on the tree. Pink and white flowers bloomed in the green grass. There were butterflies flying around the flowers. Nina, Yash and I played with the pink balloon. Mahesh and Deepa enjoyed swinging on the swings. Salma enjoyed playing on the long purple slide. Jenny and Ayush sat on the blue seesaw. I saw a man walking with his dog. We had a lot of fun in the park.